This 2024 Prime Time LaCrosse 3375 FE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features a Dove interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front entertainment, kitchen island, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.